So this is it, folks. I've canned some venison using the raw pack technique, meaning you just put raw meat in the jar, nothing else, no water, nothing, and I waited a year to see how this actually would taste like. My intention is to actually make a video on how to can, but before doing it so, I wanted to, walk the talk first before actually making videos about it. So here it is. This is my 1-year-old venison mason jar, and I'm going to taste it because this is what's important. What does it taste like? Is it worth it? When you're canning things, actually, this you don't even need the lid, so that is off, because technically the vacuum created should be enough to hold the actual lid. So right now what I need to check is if that seal is proper. If that seal is not proper, don't eat the can. So yes, it is firmly held, so I'm gonna pry it open now. I hope you could hear that. Woo! Okay, I'm already surprised because first, it actually smells really good. I did not expect that. I expected to have like some sort of foul odor, that will need to air a bit. So the chunk held fairly well. It's actually quite firm and dry. Okay, so this was a piece on the top, so yes, it is really, really dry. But it actually tastes not bad, quite good. No, it's really nice. I dig it. It tastes like boiled meat. From here, I'm sure there's a lot of things we could do. I could shred that, saute it, I could make a shepherd pie, meat at the bottom, mashed potatoes on the top. Even the dry chunks on the top is good. Let me dig in and try to reach one that is in the liquid. Yeah, I'm having a hard time picking it up because they're kind of shredding away. Yeah. Okay. So if you're seeing this video, I didn't get sick. I managed to edit and publish the video. So I'm still alive. That's good. Is this a legit way to eat venison? Absolutely. It's really good. Hey. Want some? Yeah. Up. Ouais. Hip. So that was it. Really good. Want to know how to can? Let's roll into part 2, where I actually show you how I made this can of venison. Let's roll.